Nahihirapan ka na ba kumuha ng mga direct clients ngayon or hindi mo alam kung saan mag-a-apply as a virtual assistant or a remote worker? Basta challenge kang mag-transition sa pagiging isang remote worker kasi you don't know where to find clients or where to apply. Hirap na hirap ka nang mag-apply sa OLJ or sa Upwork kasi ang dami mo ng kakompetensya. Well, guess what? Meron tayong bagong platform na pwede mong gamitin para makahanap ka ng direct clients or makahanap ka ng mga companies who are looking for remote workers. Ang maganda pa dito sa platform na to is hindi ka lang tutulungan or will give you a list of companies who are looking for remote workers, pero meron din silang community wherein they provide learnings like mga videos na tutorials na pwede kang matuto based on the industry na you want to focus on. So